Hey guys, this is CJ Shara and welcome back to my channel. Today is another video that's not the travel vlog or whatever vlog it is, but today is today is December 30, 2018, and 2018 is coming to an end. We are now about to go to another year, another hope, another chapter of our lives. So this is 2018 year in review. Char. Year 2018 was a circus.
I could stay like this, forever following you.
There will always be fun times and laughters, times of adventure, and exploring to new endeavors. But might as well, there are times in trouble, times of doubt and hesitation, anxiety, and getting lost of directions. My year started strong as I was really enthusiastic in creating content. I had a lot of travels inside and outside the country, events that made me really happy. That made me create more meaningful content. I was really happy with the results and my community widened. However, as 2018 passed by quickly, I was caught up with this so-called adulting. My work shift changed and everything adjusted, including my personal life and my vlogging life. And everything was a challenge then. The contents that I create were so and they were so varied that I questioned myself who I really am. This also made me explore the new endeavors that I didn't know that I was gonna do, such as comical skits and food reviews. Tara, idol! Asa? Tara! Honestly, I was thinking about this a couple of months ago, that I'm going to take a break for the next year so that I could enjoy what life has to offer and what travel feels like without facing a camera and talking in front of the camera. But since then, my passion kicks in and that pushes me to create more content, which I think I would still create content in moderation. To my friends and family who keep supporting me, to the brands who trusted and collaborated with me, to the subscribers who keep on viewing, following, and commenting to my videos and sharing it to your friends, to all experiences that taught me lessons in life, and to everyone for everything. Thank you very much for being part of my 2018. I hope to see you again this 2019, and I hope that I will still continue vlogging. And the most important thing is we keep on sharing peace and love. See you next year. Bye bye. Thank you 2018. Next.
Share peace and love.
Share peace and love.
Share peace and love. Share peace and love. Share peace and love.
Share peace and love. Share peace and love. Share peace and love. Share peace and love.
Share peace and love.
Share peace and love. Share peace and love. Share peace and love. Share peace and love.
Peace and love.
Share peace and love. Share peace and love.
Share peace and love.
Share peace and love.